Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 361, Weekend Technicals Crypto. Right, that's all we're gonna do today, crypto. So if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to the amazing articles that we cover here on this awesome stream. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me on a Sunday night. What is happening, bros? Crypto is pumping. Hope you guys are having a great time. And on that note, let's see what's happening in crypto. And let's jump on to the technicals. Oh no, the technicals. There we go. Awesome. Now, track got super slow. Let's change this. Lower it a little bit. I hope the music's not so loud right now, and that it's a good volume for y'all. Anyways, on that note, let's jump on and start doing this show. What is happening with market cap? Good stuff, right? Good stuff happening with market cap. Managed to get above that 20 using that support, right? 1, 2, 3 times. Yesterday managed to break above that 382. Right? We had rejected, we had opened at it, we were moving up. Still throughout the day we managed to move up, which is good. And close on this range of that 380.382, right? So $324.90 billion. We got above that mark. Now we're heading towards that 50 at 50% retrace, right? At 33.4, right? Sorry, at 334.60 billion. So what's happening? Yesterday managed to get a pump of 0.66% to the upside. Today going up 1.16%, approximately $3.8 billion, sitting at a market cap of 330.76 or 330.90 billion dollars. So a lot of money flowing into crypto right now, which is okay, right? So let's see if we get here. Are we doing something yet? No. High to low, positive to less positive. So positive is positive, high to lower high, right? So same in the price, high to low. So nothing bearish, right? Again, we're still running on the hidden bullish, or sorry, strong bullish here on the against the MACD and the RSI, right? On the daily for market cap, which is pretty cool. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin losing dominance the last couple days. Yesterday managed to lose 0.18%. Today going up 0.27%, sitting at 61.15% of market cap. I want to see this go lower. Again, look at that, right? Bitcoin has been going down and crypto has been rising, right? Even Bitcoin has been rising as it's been going down. Anyways, right now, let's look at the price of Bitcoin. Sitting at $10,945. I'm going to check the weekly quick, see where we closed at. Last week, one did great, right? We managed to go down on the week. We lost 1.32%. Today, this week, we're already making it up, right? Going up, right? We started the week very bullish. So going up again, which is okay. Gaining 1.57% already. Basically, undoing the losses we had last week, right? We lost $144.61. Right now, we're getting $168. So we're getting even a little bit more, which is okay. Let's go here. Let's check out what's happening here with Bitcoin on the daily. Had a low, positive to less positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Nothing bearish, which is good. We don't have anything bullish either. We're still running off this old bullish divergence and managing to hold support here at the $10,223 area. Yesterday we did move down with that 10,837. We actually even went below that, managed to find support at the 20 as well. And on that, we managed to pump back up, which is okay, right? That's a target that we're moving on the bearish divergence that we had on the daily. I said I did want it to go for a retest of 10,100. We had the bearish divergence. We knew we were going to get it moved down. I even clarified when I was on Ethereum. I said, look, man, as much as I wish for Bitcoin to go up, we do have the bearish divergence, and it's very likely going to go down first before it actually goes up again. And we did find support, which is good. And that support, we're taking a rally. Setting neutral at 53.22 on that RSI. Need to check something on the Discord real quick. All good. Anyways, what else is happening, right? What else are we doing here? You guys sitting on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'm not even sure who's watching, but if you're watching, thank you for being here. And thank you for watching this awesome channel and the great content that we have here. Hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it entertaining. And if you do, tell your friends that we're here. Hit that like that on that sub, right? Do those little things that are going to come up on the screen. You know, it's what's going on here, right? Again, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down slightly, which was okay. We called this out at 7 p.m., right? The candle we were on when we were live yesterday. We moved down on that, which is okay. Steve S was late, but I'm watching. Thank you, Steve S, for being here. How's your night last night, bro? You were with your buddies, and I got your message that you caught the replay. So let me know how that went. Anyways, moving low, right? Now what's happening here on Bitcoin? Well, what's happening is something I don't like still. On the 4 hour, right? We're managing to go up, which is fine. I don't have anything against going up, right? Bitcoin's not behaving. What do you mean it's not behaving? It went down, and then it found support and pumped back up, right? Which is good. Nothing bearish, right, on the 4 hour. Sorry, nothing bullish. We just had this hidden, strong bearish. Sorry, guys. And look at what we're doing right now, right? We're going higher. So I'm going to use in the 4. What is it? Went well, pizza wings, beer, and sports. That's good, bro. That was a good night. And on the RSI, we're going higher. We don't have it now. But on the MACD, we're starting to create this still strong bullish divergence, right? Check that out. Going to here, right? We had to here. We moved down as expected. Took a bounce. Went higher. Managed to get above that 10,837. Right now, we're trying to head to that 11,120. Now, something that could happen, right? Is always, right? All divergence, although we have it, does not mean it always has to play out. Now, something that could happen here is we keep on rising, and, this keeps on rising until we no longer have divergence. And that could be the case. But I do believe the strong bearish divergence is probably going to come into play. Sitting bought at 65.81. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what we got there. On the 1 hour, right, we had the bearish divergence also. Strong action downside. Remember I said I ignored this island and I was choosing to ignore it because it was just 3 hours. And I anchored it here and I said, look, we're going to go down. And not even like 3 hours after the stream ended, right, we started to go down. Look at that, right? Beautiful. Action to downside, right? On strong bearish divergence. So we knew we had divergence and it was going to come into play. So strong bearish on Bitcoin 1 hour. We had hidden on Bitcoin, right? Now we have strong. Or we had strong? I can't remember what we had here. I think it might have been strong or type 2 or medium, I guess. I can't remember what we had on Bitcoin, but I'm glad that whatever it is, it's already playing out. So, by the way, I'm supporting our buddy Bitcoin Jake. He's actually playing a game right now. Although I'm not being active on his chat, I'm watching him play. I'm not watching him play right now. I just have him open, so I'm like supporting him while he does that as well. Jake, good luck on playing Among Us. I hope you're doing good, man, and you don't get killed. Anyways, we have that strong bearish divergence action to downside, right? So on the 1 hour, we're going extremely high, which is good, right? So high, higher, high, more positive momentum, right? Higher, high, more positive momentum, and higher on our side. We don't have anything bearish short term. So now, guys, sorry, I just feel like a little bit tired, Having lower, more negative momentum, and lower on that RSI. Do we have something on the 4 hour? I think on the 4 hour we created some bear. No, we didn't. All right, cool. I was hunting for some kind of bearish divergence here, right? Going up higher, right? And then coming in much lower. We could, right? This is the previous low. All right, this is the previous low to the new low. We'll be going higher on the 1 hour chart. Right, so I'm looking for a reason why we started the pump, and the only reason I can find is this, right? Again, not here. I mean, we could always ignore this island, but I doubt we'll need to. Maybe, let's see. What is this here? 18.94, and this is 16, so slightly less, yeah. So now I'm not going to go with that. But you're just going to see our size some hidden bullish, and that's what's getting us to go to the upside, right? And, we're running good. We got above the 20, which was okay. Then we managed to hold on to 20 for a little bit, use that support, and then catapulted to the upside, breaking through and slicing through at 10,837. It didn't become a strong resistance this time. We just went right through it, which is good. Now going higher, like I said, nothing else. Sitting overbought at 74.70. Again, we could start to come down a little bit. We're outside of the Bollinger Bands as well, so it wouldn't be weird if we just come down to like that 10,900 area. take a little breather, and then maybe go for another run. We don't have anything bearish on the 1 hour. We just have the bearish divergence strong on the 4 hour, and then on the daily we're clear. So the bearish divergence on the 4 hour might not be so strong, right? Let's go and so sorry, before I go and look at something else, something that could happen, right? We drop a little bit, flag, take that next rally, then we create some strong bearish divergence, and then we move down, right? Just want to make that point. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum at $359.41. Awesome. Trying to see something here. Well, we'll see it when we move back to the 1 hour. Anyways, we had the strong bullish divergence going up near resistance at 364. We really have not managed to go up and touch that area. Yesterday we hit the 20 and we rejected a little bit. Right today we're still trying to go up. Again, strong bullish divergence on the daily, trying to go up, and that's still what's in play, right? Sitting neutral at 48.20 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Rich Satoshi, hello. Can I look at DOT USD Tether? Yeah, dude, we can look at DOT to the USD Tether. Just let me write it down, right? That way I'll cue it the right way. Sure, bro. Look at that one. And again, Ethereum, what is it doing on the 4 hour, dude? Are we creating something yet? We are. I'm not sure how strong this is going to be yet. But we might start to create strong bearish divergence here. Again, you know, we're going. Did I anchor this in the 4 hour? I think I failed to I forgot to anchor that. Alright, anyways, as you can tell, we're going to the same price level, right? And we're coming in lower on the indicators, right? The MACD and the RSI. So we're diverging. We're creating that type 2 bearish divergence for price action to the downside. Now, with that, we could be still going up a little bit more, which would be okay, right? This could still go higher. We'll still make less negative momentum and have strong bearish divergence, right? So, I mean, I'm not worried about it pumping right now. Maybe even getting to 364. If we get there, I'll just change my anchor and point back here. It's all one island. So again, you could anchor from here to here. You're slowly going less and still create that strong bearish divergence against the MACD. We might lose it against the RSI. Right now we have it. We just got to acknowledge it. We could move down and retest that 20 on the 4 hour, which is okay. Nothing bullish on the 4 hour. And neutral at 59.25. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You really enjoy my content. Thank you, man. I much appreciate that. Thank you for being here. What are we doing here, right? We're going higher here, right? So low, higher, low. And that's something I was looking at earlier when someone on the chat said, not on the chat, but on the stream or in Discord, said that this was pumping. And I said, yeah, well, we didn't go and say anything. I just noticed that we had strong bullish divergence. That was part of the reason that we started to go up, right? We have it against the MACD and, sorry, not strong, hidden bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. And that note, we're starting to go up. So again, going up, hitting that 20, rejecting it a little bit, which is okay. Managed to burst through it, and then going higher still. Lower than the previous high, right? And are we doing something here? I doubt it, man. It looks like we're lower on all accounts. So let's see, 0.66, and this is 0.65, so still slightly less. And against the MACD, we're also slightly less. So we don't have anything bullish, or anything bearish, sorry, on the short term. Last thing we have is a hidden bullish, and again, we're rallying on that. Not too worried about this yet. Again, just the bearishness is on the 4 hour, right? Just like with Bitcoin. And just hitting bot 61.72 on the 1 hour. So let's go check out XRP. Right. Let's go to the daily first. XRP on the daily, we're not creating anything yet, right? I do believe we're not creating 152. 150 is still slightly less. Are we doing something here against the RSI? We might be doing something. Yes, we're doing something against the RSI. It's just something that we need to watch out for. It's hidden bearish divergence that we're creating on the daily XRP, right? Coming from high point to a higher point on the RSI and coming in lower on the price, right? Again, still struggling to get above that 24,629. Waiting for XRP to really just take off. But again, starting to create that hidden bearish. Let's see how this is going to play for XRP. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour, look at this, right? I'll just go from here to here. Right, we had the bearish, we moved down on that, hit that 20, took a bounce. We're still playing off that bounce. I'm not sure if that bounce is finished with us yet, but it looks like we really just want to hit that resistance at 24.629. We're gonna see what happens when we get there. We're gonna get to our resistance with strong bearish divergence. Look at that, right? Going up and have strong bearish divergence, so we might get price action to the downside. And even from here, we're still coming in lower, right? So we'll just go from here to here, right? Again, potential for action to the downside on the strong bearish divergence. Skip XRP, dude, I can't. Dude, it's the top. It's on the top cryptos, so I just gotta look at it. You know, yeah, it's like third largest crypto on market cap if we don't count. If we don't count Tether, right? I'm moving down on that, right? Sitting bought at 62.69. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, last thing we had was bullish, right? We didn't create anything to here. We might have created something here later on, though. I just gotta like zoom in a little bit more and check this out. Well, I'm really gonna have to look at the opening here. Opening at 23.814 and opening at 23.817. Again, is practically a sideways motion, right? The fifth digit is what's off. So, you know, we can just say we're going sideways here on the price. There we go. Going sideways, and we're coming in less, right? So negative momentum, less negative momentum, creating that medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And on that note, that's what we're pumping, right? We don't have it against the RSI. We're going lower, and that's fine there. Now, are we doing something here? High, higher, high, positive, more positive, higher on the RSI, higher on the RSI. We don't have anything on the 1 hour XRP. Just on the 4 hour again, strong bearish starting to develop. I forgot to anchor that to the 1 hour. That's why it's here. Forget those lines. Again, you know, that we just have the bearish divergence, strong potential moving down, and then we have also hidden bearish on the daily. So again, watch out. XRP might hit this area with divergence on the 4 hour and the daily, and move down slightly. ADA and Nimic, yes sir. We can look at those as well. ADA and Nim. Cool. Got them. Let's do Litecoin. Alright, Litecoin. We're looking for this hidden bearish, right? We're still creating it. We're still below that 20. So, again, not a lot happening on daily. Just sitting neutral still. At 45.07 on that RSI. I don't believe we hit that 20. It's at 47.16. And we hit 47.13 on the high. So we haven't quite hit it yet. Again, we have the hidden bearish at a resistance at the 20, which we might break down from. So we'll have to like be observant of what's happening with Litecoin. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, again, just like the rest of crypto, right? Look, we're going still higher here, right? I just don't like when crypto, it's all like, you know, this. All in sync, right? Again, high, higher, high. So we don't have anything against the RSI, just against the MACD, creating that strong bearish divergence, potential moving down, sitting bought at 62.43. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, what's going on? So we're going higher, with more positive momentum and higher on the RSI. That's great. Are we doing something here? Low, lower, low. Negative 12 and negative 12. All right, cool. Yeah, I can work with this. I'm just going to say we're going sideways and we're coming in lower, right? We're creating that weak bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? And that's what we're getting here, and that's why we're going up. Anyways, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Support the channel with those likes. Give them likes to YouTube, man. YouTube loves them likes, right? Anyways, we're doing something here. You know, we're going to be in lower, so that's fine. Again, nothing bullish right now. Just waiting for this to happen. Moved up above the 20. Managed to find support there. Took off just like Bitcoin right on this wick. Moved down wick and boom. Now, we're moving up. We might start a flag a little bit, right? We could consolidate a little bit down sloping. That wouldn't be weird. Make a flag and then maybe try to go for another pump, and then, you know, on that pump create divergence against the MACD or the RSI and then break down, right? That's probably what I'm expecting right now, unless Bitcoin just goes ballistics, right? And decides to like go all hell's breaks loose and, you know, pumps to like 12,000 again. It's going to take everyone else with it, but, you know, right now everyone has some kind of bearish divergence. We just got to be observant to that. Let's go check out Binance. Binance at $26.45. Again, getting to that 20, finding some resistance there on the daily. Yesterday we had a bit of a spinning top day, right? Spinning top, not a lot happening. Sitting on that neutral at that 20 right now, moving up slightly. Last thing we have is a hidden bullish. On that, we're rising again, finding resistance at the 20. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour we had some kind of bearish divergence, if you remember, right? We pulled back down a little bit, which is fine. When we moved down, we got near that 20, and then we managed to pull back up. Now, are we going to the same height? No. High, lower high, positive high on our side to a lower point. Sitting bought at 65.49. Again, it doesn't have anything on the 4 hour, so let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, let's see. High, lower high, positive was positive. High on the RSI, lower on the RSI. Did this manage to create something bullish? No, right? Low, high, negative, nothing. Low, high, nothing on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour again. $46 and $47. So no. Higher on the RSI again. Against the MACD, I'm not going to call anything, right? Because we do have this island here. It's at least 5 hours long, so I'm going to acknowledge it and not skip it like I did with the Bitcoin one yesterday. I don't believe this is recent that we're pumping. I believe it's just being carried over by the rest of the market. So on that note, again, Binance not doing much. Could create bearish divergence soon, right? If it manages to get above what is this level here, 2676, right? Closing 2676. Yeah, if we get above that 2676, we could start to go slightly higher and coming in lower. And again, on that we could move down. Before I move on to something else, I forgot to look at Bitcoin futures, and let's go check this one out. So here we managed to close at 10,825, and we're opening at 10,800, so it's fine. We didn't leave any gaps. We're just running on getting over the 20, which is good. On the futures at 11,045, we are not quite there yet. Again, Bitcoin at 10,815. Let's go check out the coins requested. First one on the list, DOT to Tether. I think we looked at DOT before. I'm not sure if we had it against Tether, but yeah, DOT to Tether. We looked at it before. All right, let's check it on the daily. Again, not a lot of information on the daily, right? We're starting to get stuff happening on the RSI, which is fine. Again, lower, right? Coming in low again, that's fine. Now, are we something here? Let's see. Low, lower, coming in lower as well. So nothing on the RSI or the MACD. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, so high to lower high, positive is positive, high to low, right? So nothing long term. Assuming a little bit more here. Here we created some kind of bullish divergence, right? Look, from here to here we created some strong bullish divergence. There we go on the 4 hour. Great, man. From here to here, right? Also against the RSI. Strong bullish action to the upside. We got a rally, hit that 20, rejected a little bit, and then we managed to pull it through. Now here we're creating some strong bearish divergence afterwards, right? And that's probably why we're moving down this coin. Right, strong bearish again. We don't have it against the RSI, but we started to pull back down. That's fine. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. Nothing there. Neutral at 50.68. Last thing we have is a strong bearish divergence. Could it still play? Maybe if we reject the 20. So let's go check out the 1 hour and see if we got anything there. On the 1 hour chart. What's going on, dude? Again, from here to here, we're creating bearish divergence, right? So let's get this in the 1 hour. There we go. And here to here, right? So strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Action to downside, we move down. That's fine. Now we're coming in low, right? Negative, more negative, right? As we're going higher. So from here to here, and then from here to here, we created some hidden bullish. Action to the upside, we rallied a little bit more, but in that rally, we just created some more strong bearish divergence, right? Look at that from here to here. Right, and then from here to here as well. Action to the downside, we broke down once more. Now, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower, we don't have anything there. we started to recover slightly. And we could argue that from low to a new lower low right here, we are creating a hidden bullish, right? Probably why we rallied, we fell out to 20. So don't worry about that. Low, lower, low, right? High, lower, high. Positive, less positive. High on the RSI, lower on the RSI. And then we moved down, so that's fine. Here we created some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We're taking the rally now, but look at this, right? We're coming in lower than the previous high. Right, so high, lower, high. Then going from positive to more positive, creating that hidden bearish, right? For potential action to the downside. We not only have it there, we also have it against the RSI. So MACD and RSI have hidden bearish. Sitting bought at 60.95, but we might start to stall at this area. Maybe even come down and retest that 20, right? Wouldn't be weird if this went down a little bit more. And yeah, we'll take it after that, right? But that's what I'm expecting right now. Again, we have a bearish divergence hidden on the 1 hour. Then we have, last thing we had was strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour. And on the daily, we don't have anything. So with that, we just finished dot to tether. Let's go check out Cardano. Sorry, something's stuck in the back of my throat. If you're watching and you're new, thank you for watching. And if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Right on. So Cardano, last thing we called was bearish, right? We're looking for a movement down. We did get that small wick, hit that 20 and took a bounce, right? So that's great. Let's say it played out to there. It was weak or hidden bearish. That's what we're looking for now. If we want to keep on tracking, we no longer have it, right? Because we're going higher. That's all good. So on that note, the only way we would have it if we go to this high, right? Previous high, this one. And I'll show you how it would look like. It would look like we're going on here to here, right, on the daily, and then we're going from here to here, right? That's what I'm looking at right now. So with that potential action to the downside, we're moving down. We haven't moved down, though. Sorry, we got a little bit of retrace, but that's fine. Let's see how this is going to keep on playing out again. Just keep on building, right? Just keep on climbing, and just keep on climbing. We'll still have that. So one of those things we got to keep on tracking. We're in the middle of the channel, right? That channel that we made from the 382 to the 50% retrace, right, after the moving down. So we're trying to reclaim or return to neutral, right, to beginning, let's say. So with that, let's get to see. Let's go to 4 hour here. On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence against the RSI. On that, we moved down. Try to go for a rally. We went slightly higher, and on that slightly higher move, right, we created this divergence here. Sorry guys, one second. I think I shifted something here. Let me anchor this here to the 4 hour chart and remove it from the daily. Remove it from the daily, man. Anyways, here we go. Look at that, right? Boom. Strong bearish action to the downside. Pull back down slightly more, right? And on that slightly more pull back down, we went for another small pump. And on that pump, again, we're still going higher. Again, remember, this is all one island. That's why I'm anchoring multiple times from it, right? So again, there. Then from this high to the new high to there, right? So again, strong bearish divergence still developing. See how sitting over bought at 75.12. So we could come down in Cardano maybe for a retest of that 20. That 20 sitting at 9.5 cents, 9.51 cents. Cardano sitting at 10.41 right now. So it could drop almost 1 cent, right? With that, let's go to the 4 hour. Why is Cardano pumping? Well, you know, Bitcoin's pumping also. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher. We don't have anything bullish. Still running off this previous hidden bullish. That's what I would be guessing. High, right? High to lower high. I guess. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Let's check this one out. Where did this close? 987, 988, slightly higher. Oh man, we could go from here to here. So slightly higher, right? And then so we're coming down here, right? Again, boom. So bearish divergence, strong action to downside. We move down, hit that 20. Managed to actually find support here at that 236, right? And that note, we managed to retrace 100% of the way, going higher still. So high, higher, high. positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. That's all good. Nothing bearish here. And short term, right afterwards. Right, look at that. From here to here. Right, strong bearish divergence starting to develop. Probably could come down, maybe retest that 100%, right? Which was good. We came down and retested 100% here. And now we're trying to go higher still. So now, even though we hit a valid retrace, if we want to rechart this, we'll be picking this as a new high for fibs, right? So instead of going from here, I would just go there, right, to a new high, and see where things are, right? Looks like we found support here, you know. We'll figure it out. But right now, I'll leave it the way we had it. I want to see how it keeps on playing out. We could be doing a deep retrace, maybe to try to go to the 1618, right? So if we go the opposite, right, where we have this 100%, then we drop lower than that, we're trying to retrace even more. So again, we already did a valid retrace here, right, and then we started to bounce, which was good. Now we're trying to go higher. That's it for Cardano. Again, we have the bearish divergence. We could move down on that. Maybe even retest at 20 on the 1 hour at 9.9 cents. On that note, let's go check out NIM. Nimiq. What's happening with Nimiq? Can't find NIM. Where are you? Here you are. NIM. I found you. Again, NIM. Bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. We did rally a little bit right now. Still moving down slightly. It has strong bullish. Again, if we don't drop below this level, again, it's an attempt failed to drop, and then we might get a pump. Not a lot happening here on the daily, right? Let's go to the 4 hour, because we're just doing nothing. This is from the 1 hour chart, by the way. And this is also from the 1 hour chart. Again, last thing we had was strong bullish against the RSI, and on that we managed to get a rally, hit that 20, rejected, hit that 20, rejected again, and then hitting that 20 and failing to get above it. That's not good, right? That's not very bullish, let's say. High, low, high, possible is positive, high on the RSI, lower. Again, from here to here. High to low, positive to less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point, so nothing yet on the RSI. I'm not going to call this one yet. We don't have anything bearish, sitting neutral at 51.20. Let's go to the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour we had the bullish divergence. We rallied, then we created some strong bearish divergence, right? This is going slightly higher. Strong bearish divergence, we moved down to that. Now we're trying to reclaim this area. So lower high, and then let's see, similar high, I would say. But let's zoom in here a little bit more. There we go. Where are we going, man? Again, high to low. Where is this at? 1041, 111, 112, right? So slightly higher here, right? So something I'm noticing. Right, we're coming in higher. Slightly. Very slightly. So I'll just pronounce it a little bit more just so we know what we're talking about. But, you know, drop it there. And then we're going like this. And then, you know, here, we might be going to the same place. 58.29. 57. Slightly less still. So just against the MACD, we're creating bearish divergence, right? And on that, we move down, which is okay. Now we'll swing to this part. So high and lower high, right? Coming in with less positive momentum, and lower on the RSI, so nothing there. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI, lower on the RSI, so nothing there either. And then here we're going slightly higher, so negative, less negative. And low to high, so nothing happening short term, right? Even here, right? We're still. This will be 517, and this is 503. So high to low, and then positive to less positive. So we don't have anything else short term here. Looks like we're really trying to fight for this area and see if we can hold on to here on Nimiq, right? Nimiq sitting at 2.08. 0.208, sorry. 280. 0.28. Yeah, that's where we're at. 0.28 cents. I don't think he called it the price for DOT, so I'm going to go back and see where DOT's at. DOT's sitting at $4.32. On that note, I'm going to check out the price for honey because, you know, I want to see how this thing is doing, dude. Oh, it dropped from 1,400 to 900. 100, so it had like a $500 drop, so not bad for this, right? Again, remember how I said yesterday, I'm not sure if I wanted to go in, it was going parabolic, or 2 days ago, I can't remember when I said it, but you know, it's just pulling back a little bit, which is fine. On that note, let's check out the DVT. My nose is killing me. DVT at 5.2, man. It did drop to 5. It did drop to 5. Now 5.1, now 5.2. Let's get the RSI and the MACD out here. RSI and MACD. Right, so okay, first thing I'm looking at, right, from this spike to this spike here, we are creating, right, even not even this spike, right, it could be, we could say this spike here, right, we're creating hidden bearish action to the downside, we move slightly down, so from here to here we're going higher, right, and then from here to here we're coming lower, and on that note we're creating that strong bearish divergence against the RSI. Let's check the MACD out. Gotta make some quick adjustments so I can visualize this a little bit better, but there we go. Again, on the MACD, we don't have that, right? So we had that strong that strong bearish, we moved down. Now, it's not just bad news here. We're going from here to here as well. And on this note, we're creating that strong bullish divergence, right? Price action to the upside. So that's where DVT is at. Let's go to the 4-hour DVT. Let's remove the previous indicators here. There we go, and here we go, and here we go. Right, so let's check out what's happening here. High to low, and then low to low. So we don't have anything bearish, right? Or at least not from the previous high. From this high, we'll definitely have something, I think, right? So from here to here, right? From here, coming in slightly lower, right? And here we're going in higher. And that we're creating that hidden bearish potential action to the downside, right? Look at that. That's what I'm looking at. So we had some kind of bearish. That's why we moved down here. The daily must not be looking too hot for DVT, man. Yeah, see, pushing back down strongly, dude. Now, low, something we're going to manufacture here very quickly. This managed to go to 5. We're going to go from low, either to the same low or slightly lower low. And on that level, we're going to create either medium bullish divergence or strong bullish divergence, depending on where we go. We don't have anything right now short term against the RSI and the MACD. On that note, I'm going to go check out RSR and see how that's doing. I think on the daily, still sitting at 11.5 cents. Have not been able to go out and done this. I have plenty of opportunities. I'm just not taking them. Do I like this? No. Alright, look, here we're going sideways, right? That's fine. We're not going to be diverging here. We're going to be there. I thought we were going to be diverging there, but no. Coming in lower, lower, and lower. That's fine. Now, higher, low, negative, less, negative, on the other side, higher, less. Nothing on the 4 hour. Just sitting neutral at 42.02. Let's go to 1 hour. I had a hidden bullish. We tried to go for a small rally. High, lower, high, positive was positive. High on the other side, low. We didn't create anything here. We're still moving down. Now, low, lower, low. More negative momentum, right? And lower on the other side, that's okay. And now here's short term. Right, from here to here. It's all in the 1 hour. That's great. From here to here, and then from here to here, right? Some strong bullish divergence. Don't have it against the RSI. RSI here at 37.97 and 35, so less, right? Strong bullish potential action to the upside on that. That's what we got right now on RSR, and there's no other requests, so I'm gonna check out Uni. Uni sitting at $4 and 78 cents, right? A lot of people were saying, "Oh, we're gonna go to the moon here." Not so fast, buddy. We're flagging again, right? Try to find middle ground on this project. Nothing on the daily, nothing on the 4 hour even, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, right? Yep. So let's go to the 1 hour and see if we got something there. Low, higher, low. All right, we can work with this. Low, higher, low, and here we're coming in. Fuck, no, I don't. Dude, no. I was trying to save this, but no, you don't have anything, dude. Because I would have to hit the highest point on the graph, and that wouldn't work. Uni here had some strong bullish, right? So from here to here, and then from here to here. But that's about it, though. Nothing else happening since. Let's go here short term. Low, lower, low, and negative, less negative. Yeah, we could work with this one, right? From here to here, and from here to here, right? On that note, we're getting that small rally on strong bullish divergence, getting above that 20 right now, failing to sustain it. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. ETN. Yeah, we can look at ETN, dude. No worries. ETN. On that note, let's go check out ETN, dude. ETN. Oh, shit. I opened a stock, dude. I don't want to type it out. I know I have an ETN open. Oh, not that. Where's ETN, dude? ETN to dollar, dude. Here we go. Let's go to the daily. Had the bullish palm move back down, and we haven't created anything, right? High, lower, high, positive, high on our side, lower, right? Nothing there. Low to high again. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We're starting like sort of fall into a sort of triangle, right? Again, from here to here, right? Going down like that. Just gonna stuff this on the daily. I don't want to do any lower than that. And then here we're just going like that, right? So again, potential triangle formation, symmetrical. It could go either way. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. Neutral at 51.80 on the RSI, sitting at 0.51 cents, right? So let's go to the 4 hour. Again, we had the bearish divergence, right? The hidden. We haven't quite moved down there, but short term here, right? Creating that strong bearish against the MACD, and then we moved down that, hit that 20, took a bounce. Now on that bounce, we're slightly higher still right now, and we're still coming in lower, right? So if I get to here, right, and then also on the other side we're going lower, so we have some strong bearish divergence. Sitting bought at 62.14, so potential action to the downside, maybe for a retest of that 20 right now. That's what we'll be getting here on ETN. Let's go to the 1 hour. I think I forgot to anchor the stuff on the 4 hour, yeah. And look at the stuff. See, that's why I hate to forget to anchor, dude. Then I gotta do a lot of cleanup, dude. There we go, there we go. And here we go, man. Here we go, man. Right, so high, higher, high, coming in lower. We're creating some strong bearish divergence here on the ETN, right? So we'll go there. I'll anchor it here. Make sure we're anchored on the 1 hour. That way I don't have to do any cleanup. There we are. And on that note, again, from positive to less positive, right? Also from overbought to just bought on the RSI. So there we go. Strong bearish action to down, so move down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower. We didn't create anything bullish here. We haven't created anything bullish. We're just taking a bounce. Probably because the other cryptos are bouncing. But on this semi or pseudo bounce that we're trying to get, let me get rid of the wrong tool. There we go. Right, we're creating that hidden bearish right now against the MACD, but not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're still lower. Sitting bot still at 63.65. Hidden bearish, potential movement down. Again, a retest of that 20 would be in order, more or less, right? So that's what we'll be expecting to see on ETN. I'm gonna go back and check out Bitcoin. Starting to stall, right? Dude, no, I don't want to see. I want Bitcoin to keep on running a little bit more. But again, we have bearish divergence in the 4 hour. I'm not sure if it's going to play out strongly right now to the downside, but it is what is breaking us down right now. Because on the 1 hour, we're good. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. Dude, there's no requests. There's nothing going on in the chat. So, I think I'm going to call it a stream, dude. It's Sunday. I haven't had dinner. Not a lot happening right now. Guys, thank you for watching again. This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome, awesome Sunday night. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you enjoyed what we do here. I hope you find it entertaining. I hope you find it educational. And if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub. Talk to your friends about crypto. Tell them that we are here. This is a great channel for beginners, midterms, and experienced or veterans of the crypto space. Yo, Steve, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining us. Rick Satoshi, thank you for being here as well, man. I'm not sure who else came in here. I think it was just you two guys. Thank you for being here, guys. That's going to be all for tonight. Again, I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.